Hey everybody, it's Nico with another ThoughtLoad for you and another crypto update. Like all of my crypto updates, this is not financial advice. This is just things that I've read, learned, and experienced over the past 10 plus years trading and investing in cryptocurrency. So, with that being said, give you an update on kind of where we're at in the grand scheme of things across time. So, from what I've been able to determine, Bitcoin and the price swings that we see from one all-time high to the next all-time high are correlated to when Bitcoin halving is. Now, if you go back to my monologue, I talk about halving, what it is, and how that plays into the total supply of Bitcoin. But we're right in the middle of that, the time frame between peaks. And the good news is, even though it's going to be a little while before we actually see that Bitcoin price peak again, we're going to be moving upwards the entire time. So that's a good thing for the time being. And honestly, that's what I would urge people to think about when it comes to cryptocurrency. Yes, it's a new technology. Yes, it's complex, but it's also something that you can invest in long term. And yeah, there's probably more riskier options for long term investment, but one of the big reasons why is because of just how much money is in this stuff. I'm going to tell you all of this to share that line with you right afterwards. So bear with me. Got some numbers here and I want to draw a comparison. So I'm going to be talking about market cap, which is the total amount of money that's been invested in a company or a stock or whatever, right? Now, most of us know that the top companies in the world, like Apple, Google, all of those, though they have market caps in the trillions of dollars, right? Hundreds of billions of dollars. Okay. So just for comparison, the 300th largest company has a market cap of $63 billion. Okay, $63 billion. The 300th largest cryptocurrency has a market cap of $210 million. That is significantly less. And so if we look into the future, 5, 10 years or so, what do you think the price of cryptocurrencies across the board are going to be if just a little bit more money gets invested in? Like what if the 300th largest cryptocurrency had a 1 billion market cap? That is still 5 times the current market cap. That's a pretty good investment. That's a pretty good, gain on your investment there. So if we look at cryptocurrency in that long term, I think there's a lot of things happening now that point towards those better times and higher prices and things like that. But we have to think long term, because all of the stories about people making money quick is, yes, it happens, but it's not the norm. So we have that longer outlook. Things are pretty positive. Now, to inject more positivity here, the line that I heard recently, I think I heard it in the Joe Rogan podcast I listened to recently, 2156, where Joe interviewed the Harris brothers, who are AI co-founders. I think it was there. I could have heard it on social media, but they were talking about how AI systems, when they actually get into the whole like monetary thing and paying for things, AI is only going to be able to use one type of currency, and that's cryptocurrency. Okay. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but that was still crazy to hear, that this new technology that everyone's using, that a lot of us use all the time now, that we didn't a couple of years ago, now all the time, that technology could be using cryptocurrency, not the dollar, not a yen, not a peso, cryptocurrency. What do you think the market caps are going to look like if AI starts using cryptocurrency. I'm pretty sure some of that money that I just mentioned, all of the big companies having trillions of dollars, pretty sure some of that's going to flow into the cryptocurrency space. If AI can only use that, right? Now, again, if that's actually true. If it can use a dollar or something else, then okay, that may not happen. But still, it's a cryptocurrency that AI probably can use and will use, and that is a positive outlook for the next 5 years at least. Because we can all say that AI has come a long way in the past 2 years. What does 5 years look like? I'll leave that up to you. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this crypto update. Stay tuned for more and go back into our website and to our podcasting page to check out all the crypto updates. And hopefully you have a wonderful day. And as always, begin the duel, win the day.